Hi everybody, Paul here. This seatbelt is not retracting back in by itself nice and smooth like it used to. If you're having the same problem, then I want to show you a quick and easy way to get it working again like new with no tools. The reason this happens is because as seatbelts age, the fibers become stiff and less pliable due to exposure to hot and cold temperatures, direct sunlight, dirt, body sweat, food, drink, and who knows what else. So you have to make the fibers pliable again. First slide the seatbelt buckle up until it stops. Then pull the seatbelt out until it stops. Now take a big safety pin and fasten it to the seatbelt. This will keep it from retracting back in. Next, get some kind of small container that you can put the seatbelt into. Add some clean warm water and dish soap to the container. Now put as much of the seatbelt into the container as possible and let it soak for half an hour. Repeat this as necessary until the water is no longer dirty. Look how dirty the water is on the first soak. Next, put the seatbelt into the container with clean warm water to rinse out the soap. Repeat this as necessary until the soap is removed from the seatbelt. With the safety pin still in place, dry the seatbelt as much as possible with a clean towel. Now let it air dry overnight with the seatbelt exposed to air on both sides. I like to hang it from the rearview mirror. Or, if you're in a hurry, you can dry it out with a hairdryer on the coolest setting. Once it's fully dry, remove the safety pin and you're done. The seatbelt should retract back in like new again. Wow! I can't believe the difference that made. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.